Okay, we got our hinge attached. We got our eye hooks put where they need to be. I sat this inside here. This is where this is going to go. So I marked on the inside here and here, and then measured it in from the sides to see where we have to drill our hole for our screw. So we're going to see if we got that right. So we're going to drill a hole in here for it to mount our screw. If you enjoy my videos or you find them helpful, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. A little bit more. Do this side here. Okay, so now we got that. What we'll do is we'll take our Dremel and we're going to use the round tool, and what we'll do is we'll bore this out a little bit so when we screw that piece in, we'll be able to inset our screw. And then we'll do the same on the other side, and we'll get it lined up and see how it fits. Thanks for watching.